Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to solve question number 3 and 4 of chapter 3 understanding quadrilateral of exercise 3.3. Question number 3 says, can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if first angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 degree? They are asking us that given a quadrilateral ABCD, let us say that ABCD is a quadrilateral. Can it be a parallelogram if measure of angle A and measure of angle D, A and D, their sum is equal to 180 degree? Can it be? If you look it carefully, these are the adjacent angles and their sum is 180 degree. So it may be parallelogram because adjacent angles are equal. So we will write here angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, which is equal to sum of adjacent angles. So we can write, so it may be a parallelogram. Why it may be? We don't know that sum of C and D is 180 degree and C and B is 180 degree. We are saying that on the basis of these angles. These are adjacent and their sum are equal. We don't know whether this is parallel. We don't know. Only on the basis of these two angles we are saying that it may be parallelogram. Now moving to the second condition. In second condition they are telling us AB is equal to DC is equal to 8 centimeter, AD is equal to 4 centimeter and BC is equal to 4.4 centimeter. Let us give this to the corresponding sides. AB and DC both are 8 centimeter. AD is equal to 4 centimeter and BC is equal to 4.4 centimeter. If you look carefully here, AD is not equal to BC. If a quadrilateral is to be a parallelogram, then opposite sides must be equal, right? Because it is one of the property of parallelogram. Here they are equal, but this one are not equal. So we will write here AD is not equal to BC. Therefore, it cannot be a parallelogram. Moving to the third part. Third condition they are telling us angle A is equal to 70 degree and angle C is equal to 65 degree. Let us see angle A. Where is angle A? Angle A is here. They told us that it is 70 degree and angle C is 65 degree, and you know very well that angle A should be equal to angle C for a quadrilateral to be a parallelogram. Opposite angles must be equal. So we will say here angle A is not equal to angle C. Therefore, it is not a parallelogram because opposite angles are equal. Because opposite angles of a parallelogram must be equal. Here also you can specify the reason, because opposite sides of parallelogram must be equal. Now moving to fourth part. First let me write it down. I have written the question. Question 4 says, draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measures. Equal measure. We have to draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral. It must be a quadrilateral which is not a parallelogram. If it is not a parallelogram, then we have two conditions, either trapezium or kite. Again they have given us one condition, but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measures. Let me show you the introductory part which I have explained you before. Quadrilaterals are of mostly measure are three: trapezium, kite, parallelogram. Also these are quadrilateral, but it is part of parallelogram, and we don't want parallelogram. We want only quadrilateral which is not a parallelogram. So it left with trapezium and kite. And also one condition they have given, that one of the measure opposite angles are equal. One opposite pair are equal. Here one is equal, one is not equal. You can see one is equal and one is not equal. So definitely it must be kite, right? Properties of kites are working with the condition. So looking on the condition, we can say that the given figure, given rough figure must be a kite, and you have to draw the figure of kite on your own. You know it very well. So we have solved question number 3 and question number 4. Hope you have understood this question. We will meet with question number 5 in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye bye.